Hi, my name's Richard Griffin and this is Stage Gypsy Thread. A gypsy thread that can be seen in the largest of theatres due to the thread being a lot thicker than the usual one used in this effect. The effect is as known. A thread is shown and broken into a number of pieces. Rolled into a ball. The ball is now pulled apart and the thread is restored. And with my version, you are left clean at the end. There's nothing left to be seen in your hands. You don't need any video projection, no special lighting, and remember, you end clean. You will receive the full setup, the thread I use, enough for dozens of performances, and I will also tell you where you can get more anywhere online, the black plastic card, the gimmick, the candle and the candle holder, all ready to go. You will also receive the video tutorial showing you step by step everything you need to know. And as a bonus, I'll be showing you how you can perform this for those venues where you cannot use a naked flame.